Hey there, screen addicts and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Honest Explorer, the channel that's here to give you the real talk on the gadgets that promise to change your life. Today, we're taking a look at a TV that claims to do just that, the Samsung Neo QLED 8K QN950F. Is it the future of home entertainment or just a really expensive light box? Let's peel back the layers and see what it's all about. First, let's talk aesthetics. This TV is a total ghost, in the best way possible. Samsung calls this the Infinity Air design, and you can see why. It's so thin, it almost disappears against the wall. The screen is practically bezel-free, creating a seamless, uninterrupted picture that just floats in your living room. It's the kind of design that makes your home look instantly more expensive and put together, even if your coffee table is covered in empty snack wrappers. But a great picture starts with great technology, and this TV has it in spades. Under the hood, we've got something called Quantum Mini LED Pro. How mini are they? They're 1/50th the size of a conventional LED, so they're incredibly precise. This allows for a level of contrast and detail that is truly jaw-dropping. The QN950F also boasts a glare-free screen. You know that annoying glare from the window that ruins the final scene of your favorite movie? Gone. The glare-free screen delivers brilliant color and a perfect picture, no matter what time of day it is or where the sun is hitting. Now, for the brains of the operation, the NQ8 AI Gen3 Processor. This chip is basically a genius. With 768 AI neural networks, it works tirelessly to optimize your content. Watching something in full HD, the processor uses its magical powers to transform that lower-resolution content into hyperclear 8K. It's like giving your old home videos a futuristic facelift. The processor also handles Auto HDR Remastering Pro, intelligently transforming regular content into HDR-like quality. So everything you watch is more vibrant and lifelike, with deep learning algorithms that make sure every scene looks its absolute best. But a great viewing experience isn't just about what you see. It's also about what you hear. The QN950F is equipped with Adaptive Sound Pro, a feature that uses the processor to optimize the sound for whatever you're watching. A sports game gets a punchier, more dynamic sound profile, while a quiet scene in a drama will have crystal clear dialogue. And for those moments when life gets a little too loud, Active Voice Amplifier Pro uses AI to enhance dialogue, helping you catch every word without distractions. The sound experience gets even better with Q Symphony, a feature that lets the TV's built-in speakers work with a compatible soundbar to create an even more immersive, multi-dimensional soundscape. And with Object Tracking Sound Pro, the audio follows the action on screen. So when a car races across the screen, the sound moves with it. It all adds up to an audio experience that puts you right in the center of the story. Finally, for the gamers, this TV is a dream. The Motion Accelerator 144 Hz gives you a buttery, smooth, tear-free picture that keeps up with even the fastest action. It's perfect for competitive gaming or just enjoying a beautifully rendered world. So is the Samsung Neo QLED 8K QN950F worth the hype? From its nearly invisible design to its brainy processor and incredible audio, it's a TV that's pushing the boundaries of what home entertainment can be. It's an explorer's dream. And we're here for it. All right, explorers, that's our deep dive into the Samsung QN950F. What did you think? Does this TV have you ready to upgrade? Or are you holding out for something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more honest, no-nonsense tech reviews, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.